It's a new day. Aren't we so grateful? Come look at the sun. It's about to shine. Isn't that so nice? Moments like this, you're very grateful for what you have. I just want to be exactly where I am. Nothing higher, nothing lower, just right here with the exact same people in my life and anyone in life. Let's begin! Kinonceptualize ko pa yan. Thank you to Pinterest. Tapos, pumili na ako ng like different kinds. And look how cute! Extraordinaire! You're the best! By the way, I'm partners with Extraordinaire and our branches are in Alabang, Bang, and Fort. So don't forget to visit. If you visit today, it will be wonderful. Walang discount. Sir Cheese! I miss you! So what time tayo, Alex? 8:30 is okay? 1 hour?
1 hour. Ilan tattoos mo din?
This is for my twins that I lost. One was bigger kasi siya yung nabuo. Yung isa yung nawala na agad. This one is my sketch. Rydal tattoo. Did it. This one is emissive. To love is to live. Handwriting cheese. Ito, gusto ko lang talaga magka-heart. Pinasulit ko sa kanya sa post-it. Babe, sige na. Nung nag-away kami na time, sabi ko sa sarili ko, lagyan ko na lang kaya ng Marie. Love Marie. Ito parang naging walis tambo. Charot, mali! Okay na. Ang ganda. It's Panda. Kay-chan and my Ami Jules.
Parang ang dali yung isuot, no?
Eyeshadow today. This is... Wait lang. 240 denim satin color.
Neil, I have a surprise. No.
Yeah. This one, it can be short, but like... That's cute. Nice. El como Bavaric. Is that English? Translation. God. Hate that. Tanong mo, hate na hate ko talaga. Kayo nagsasabi, nagpagawa ko ng mata. Papagawa ng mata, hate na hate ko yan. Actually, nakakatakot siya pag ganyan kasi parang ang deep na mata. Meaning to say, yung facial fat nakawala na. Cannot. Mahal na cappuccino, ilalagay ko din yung natanggal.
Ilalagay mo.
Nahihinayang ako eh. Mahal kayo ng kape. Di naman sasabog yung kape. Di naman sasabog to na as long as I don't lose. Okay, tara, let's begin. Do you wanna try with good light here? Be ready.
And action. Nice. Now,
Rafi. Oh, don't forget to do from up to down. Up, down.
take me with one of it.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, wow! Okay, I'm going to the show. You stay outside. You do my picture. L'autre côté.
Sorry.
Wow.
Out. Are you back? Heading in.
How are you?
I'm alright. There you go.
Okay, let's go.
Bye! Bye! We miss you. See you for dinner.
Yeah.
I plan to just wear this inside because I'm so cold. Okay. Ang cute naman ng papino ng baby. Ay, tama ka. Dapat ilusot. Ganda ng look, oh. Labanos! Labanos! Let the rhythm take you!
Di pwede tayo ka dito, tas lipstick.
Eh, paano kung gusto mo tumatakbo ko tapos yung kotse nakasunod? Buwis mo na! Is it worth it? No, it's not.
Sapatos ko eh.
Yan.
Dear baba pa.
Go? Yan naman yung shadow lang.
Cute.
JB de Castro. Ang ganda na sana.
Ganda na sana eh.
Sige, teka lang. Nilalagnat ako. So, we have one last show, I think, because I'm hurting here. Okay? But we're gonna push it still. Panda, Shruti, Pochi, Yogi. Ano siya, nag-pass away na siya. Tsaka si Casper. Kasama ko sila lagi, kahit wala silang visa.
Mel, take this one.
Our day is not done yet. I just feel a little sick. So we're gonna take a nap, we're gonna have dinner, and then we're still gonna shoot. I have to shoot my Cavalli look because I didn't go. And then we're gonna have to edit pod. But bukas na. Okay na to. Kailangan ko pa yung try.
Try on pa natin.
Sige lang, okay lang kasi. So, magagawin ko yung sports mo.
Kaya. O sige.
Sige, good night na natin. Bye-bye.